Today we're going to talk about working with MP4 videos in After Effects, why some of them don't work, and what to do about it. As you can see, I have my project set up here. I am working with this particular part of a commercial that I'm creating, and right now I have my preview shot, which was a shot of this computer being destroyed, and this is the preview version of that video that I was permitted to use basically as a practice. So once I get everything set up, now I'm ready to go purchase the actual video footage from Getty Images, which is the vendor that I'm using for this particular video footage. Okay, so then I go and purchase it, and I'm going to go to my actual area where that footage is in place. So here you can see this is the preview. You see it has the watermark. So now I'm going to replace that with the actual video, which I have right here. So I'm going to just click on, here's the real image. Click on it, bring it down here into my composition. So now I can just line it up with the old one, and then to test it out, just not view the previous one, and all of a sudden I'm faced with a black screen. So clearly there are some problems with this image. Well, I can go back here to my project, and if I highlight that asset, I can see up here at the top of my project that there's definitely a problem with this MP4 file as far as how it's rendering in After Effects. So I need to do something here, and the first time this happened to me, I had no idea what to do. I didn't know if something was wrong with my RAM or if the project was corrupt. I didn't know what I needed to do. But then I found out that there's just a million different ways that MP4 files are encoded, and what you simply need to do is transcode the file. So I went online and I found a place. There's a bunch of different little tools out there that you can find to do this. I just got the first one I could find here at squared5.com. I downloaded this free little tool. It's a transcoder. I installed it, and let's see if I can bring that up for you here. All I had to do was open the file that I wanted to transcode, which is right here. Open the file and then export it to the version that I wanted. In this case, I know that a QuickTime file is going to play correctly in After Effects. So I exported it to QuickTime, cranked it up to 100% quality, and sent it out. And so this is what I ended up with was right here, my Getty Images file as a QuickTime file. You can note the .mov. So I just shot back over to my After Effects project, imported the new file, and now you can see my QuickTime file shows up properly, and it's going to render properly here in my After Effects. So I'm going to delete the MP4, and then what I'm going to do is drag in my new file. I'm going to line it up on the timeline with the old one so that I know the time is going to work out properly. Just going to stretch it out the same as I did with the test file, and hide the test file. Go ahead and delete it out altogether. And then I'm going to shoot back over to my render composition, and you can see now everything is working fine. It's all rendering properly, and it's going to be beautiful. So that's essentially how you work with an MP4 file that's not going to play. You simply transcode it into a different file format. And again, the one that I use was here at Squared 5. Download their tool for Windows. I'm Bill Newman. Go create something cool today.